Hey, what's going on, everybody? Shimmer from Android, and this is a quick video if you want to convert a micro USB cable into a lightning cable. So this is the box itself. This is the lightning to micro USB adapter. It's like a micro USB to a lightning converter, but they pronounce it opposite way, a lightning to micro USB adapter. So that's the box itself. And here is the micro USB cable, the adapter, and the iPhone. So let's open it up. And also I forgot one thing, it says 1460 rupees inside. What we have here is this tray, nothing else inside the box. So let's keep it aside, and some instructions. So that's Apple's 1-year warranty for this. Here is the adapter. It's pretty tiny, so this might be get lost. So here goes the micro USB, and we get the lightning converter here. So here I have the iPad Air. Here I have a power bank for it. Here is the micro USB cable. So let's try this out. One end, the other end into this micro USB adapter, and let's try it out. So as you can see, it's working. So it's low on battery. So that's how it goes. So that was the lightning to micro USB adapter. Here goes the micro USB cable, and here we get the lightning connector for your iPhone or your iPad. So this cable is also for those people who don't want to carry a separate cable for their Android and iOS device. So instead of buying a new lightning cable, you can get this adapter from the links down below in the description and save some money on that. I have the Amazon link down below in the description, so you can check that out, and you can convert your micro USB, standard micro USB cable which you have lying around for your Android devices, and convert it into lightning cable. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, just click the like button below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.